Welcome to Code Fun. It's great to see you. I'm Rozzie. What's your name? Come on, let's sing together. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, que tu pea pue. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me and there's someone else. Digi! Digi! I know Digi was here just before, a minute ago. Now I can't find Digi anywhere. Can you tell me if you see Digi? Okay. What was that? You see Digi? Where? Over there. Thanks. Oh.
Kia ora.
Kia ora, Digi. You tricky robot. Well, now that Digi's finally here, let's get this party started.
Woo!
Check these out. Hey, Digi.
Kia ora.
Digi, watch this. Ready?
Whoa! What are those?
Shiny red apples. He aporo. See? I picked them straight from the apple tree.
Whoa, cool. So, if apples grow on trees, how do you get them off the tree?
Well, I can show you if you like, Digi.
Cool.
Wait a sec. Digi is a robot, and robots need clear instructions to be able to do things. Will you help me show Digi how to pick apples from the tree? Great! Find a clear space. Make sure you've got lots of room to move around and you're not going to bump into anything. Okay, let's code Digi to pick apples. If you want to see Digi pick apples, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time. Me mahara. Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know how to pick apples until we give instructions. First up, I'll show you so that we can help Digi together.
Oh!
Cool, let's do it. First of all, use your right hand. Remember, that's this one. And stretch up and out. Now grab the apple and twist the apple. Pull the apple off the tree and place it in the basket. Ka motu pea. Good job. You picked an apple. Now let's show Digi. Okay, Digi. First of all, stretch your right hand up and out. Now grab the apple, so put your fingers in a ball-like shape and twist your wrist to pick the apple. Whoa! Stop! Sorry, Digi. I forgot your wrist could twist all the way around. Oh, where? Robots need clear instructions. I didn't tell Digi how far to twist the wrist. Mingana ano, let's try that again. Okay, Digi. First of all, put your right hand up and out. Now put your fingers in a ball shape. And twist your wrist just half a turn, Digi. Hey, are you joining in too? Great. Now bend your elbow to bring your hand down. And flip your hand over and open your fingers to put the apple in the basket. Whoa, cool. Good job. Kua tū, Tuki, we did it. We gave clear instructions so that Digi could pick an apple. What's that sound? Uh-oh. Whoa! It's raining apples. Good one, Digi. Hi, I've got some shapes here. He tapatoru, a triangle. He porotitaha, an oval. And he tapawharite, a square. I know a really fun game we can play with these shapes. It's called if and then. For this game, I'll be the programmer who gives you instructions, and you can be the robot who does what I say. Jump up and join in. Or you can just stay sitting if you like and use your arms. Come on, find a clear space with lots of room. Okay, here are the instructions. If you see he tapatoru, a triangle, then you need to tap your heels. And if you see he porotitaha, the oval, then you need to jog. And if you see he tapawharite, then you need to jump. Have you got it? Great! Let's play the game. Hit it! Triangle! Tap your heels. Are you moving your robot arms and robot legs? Cool! Oh, square! Jump! Oh, oval! Jog! Oh, square! Jump! Hi, Digi! Oh, Digi's really good at jumping too. Whoa! Bye, Digi! Oh, oval! Jog! Come on! Let's go for a jog together. Are you jogging with me? Great! Come on, jog up to me now. Whoa! That was really fun. Thanks for joining in, my robot friend. We've had a great time today, but now it's time to say ka kite. Hey, Digi.
Hey, I've come to join in.
Great! Me waia te tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai anō, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite no e hoa. See you next time.